Okay, so let us go to next one, that is string formatting. Will understand. Okay, what is mean by string formatting? So it is interesting. Okay, first of all I will read it. Python string formatting. Okay, to make sure a string will display as expected. Okay, we can format the result with the format method. So format is the method. This format method is helping us to format our string. In short, okay, string format. So the format method allows uh, us Manopan to format selected parts of a string. Okay, sometimes there are part of a text that we do not control. Okay, maybe they come from database. Okay, they are coming from the database or from the user input. In such cases, what we can do, we can format our input. And to format our input, we to format our input which will be coming from the database. Okay, or from the user directly. So such kind of data information can be format can we can do formatting for data which will be coming from the database or from the user directly. Okay, to control such values, placeholders. Okay, curly brackets we will be using, we will be calling them as placeholders in the text. Okay, in the text. And we can run the values through the format method. So let us check it. For example, price is the variable, is equal to the assignment operator 49. That is the value we have mentioned. Okay, so price is integer type of variable. In short, if we'll check it, what is the type of variable price. So we can mention it in print function. So I'll pass comment to these two statements and we'll check it. Price will be integer type of variable, Python variable. Now I will remove this statement. Sorry, we'll remove the comment also. So text. Okay, text we have written the price is. Okay, and in the curly bracket we can mention then rupees. Okay, this is our text. Then what we can do, print text dot format. In the round bracket we can mention price. So because of this, what will happen, it will display message on the output console as the price is 49 rupees. Let us check it. Price is 49 rupees. So in this way, formatting is done. See here, 49 is the value. Suppose this value is coming from the database or from the user, and if we want to display it in this particular format, in that case, format method is helping us. But this format method comes along with any text. Okay, this is text. Txt is the variable. Okay, txt. Instead of txt, I can use uh, string also. No problem, I can write. Okay, string 1 is equal to. Okay, string 1 is equal to control c control v, and I will pass comment to this statement. So string 1, instead of text txt, I will write. Okay, string 1. This will also work. It means any name, any string we can use. Okay, any string we can use. But any string we can use, and that string can be written. Okay, and in curly bracket, particular value if we want to format. So format method is helping us, which is built-in method, or which is standard method in Python, which is helping us to display particular input in the form of uh, appropriate format. Okay, in the form of appropriate format. For example, this is our string, the price is, and at this particular placeholder, this is called as placeholder. Double curly bracket, opening and closing curly bracket represents. Okay, placeholder. And in this particular at this particular placeholder, value of this uh, variable gets displayed over here. So if I will execute it, it will display. Okay, price is 49 rupees. Price is 49 rupees. The first part of string formatting. Now we'll understand with one more example. For example, suppose price is 49.5607. Okay, four digits, four decimal places are used, but we want to use only two decimal places. In that case, how to do formatting, that we'll see. Okay, text we can write txt any variable which is string type of variable, and in double quotes appropriate message we have written the price is. Okay, in the curly bracket we can mention colon. So we need to format it, because of which colon we have mentioned. Okay, colon, then dot, then 2f. Okay, dot 2f means what? We want to display our result with two decimal places. F is fractional value. Okay, so this is the placeholder which will be helping us to convert our result in the form of, okay, uh, exact answer which will be considered with two decimal places, then rupees. So print function which will be helping us to display this message, and format is the method again which will be converting our text in appropriate format. So text dot format, in the round bracket we can mention our variable, that is price. So this program will give output on the output console as the price is 49.56 rupees. Let us check it. 40, the price is 49.56 rupees. If I will consider another example where value of price is 49.5677, where the third decimal place is more than, okay, 5. So in that case, what in the maths what we'll be doing? So this particular value we need to increase by 1. That is happening automatically with the help of Python. So simply we will check it. In this case, if value of price which will be coming from the database or from the user, so for with four decimal places, that will be converted and it will be formatted in our format, and it will be considered with two decimal places. So it will display 49.57. The price is 49.57 rupees. Such message will be displayed on the output console. Let us check it. The price is 49.57 rupees. Okay, so in this way also we can do formatting, where one particular value, if it will be coming with more decimal places, that can be converted. If I'll write, okay, 1.1 dot f, in that case, instead of giving two decimal places, our answer will be displayed with one decimal place. Let us check it. 49.6. Okay, 49.6, because the second decimal, second digit is more than 5. Okay, because of which it will be considered as 6. But if I will change it, say 0, in that case what will happen? It will display 49.5. That also will check. Okay, 49.5. So in this way formatting can be done, okay, with the help of format function, and this is called as string formatting. So let us understand multiple values, how to format. Okay, how to format multiple values, that we'll see uh, with the help of, again, format method. So quantity is 3. Okay, item number is 567, and price is 49. So these three different values I want to format it in one particular string. So my order is our string, where in double quotes that string we have mentioned. Okay, I want first placeholder. Okay, first placeholder, that is pieces. Okay, pieces. So I want, okay, quantity. It means here we need to display quantity. I want three pieces of item number. Item number is 567. Second placeholder for, okay, 59. This is the price, and that will be considering with two decimal places, because of which colon, then dot, and 2f. 2f means what? Two decimal places, rupees. So this is our string, and this string will be formatting, because of which print in the round bracket what we will be doing. So my order, this is our string which we need to format, then dot operator, then format method, and three placeholders we used. According to the sequence of three placeholders, we need to pass the arguments. Okay, very important. At first placeholder we need to display quantity, number of pieces. It means quantity. This is quantity. So first argument will be quantity, then second item numbers we want to display, because of which second argument will be item number, and third will be our price. In this way a sequence is very important over here. What kind of sequence will be following, accordingly message will be displayed. If we will be changing the sequence, obviously message which will be displayed on the output console, that will be wrong. That also we'll see. Now in this case, if I will execute this particular program, so we will get on the output console, I want, okay, three pieces of item number 567 for 49.00 rupees. Let us check it. I want three pieces of item number 567 okay, for 49.00 rupees. If we'll change now, this is the exact sequence which we need to follow. If suppose somebody is changing the sequence, in that case wrong output will be displayed. So I'm changing the sequence of arguments which will be passing. Control Z, control X, okay, here I will pass the sequence थोड़ा सा change किया हुआ है. So first of all, it will display item number. I want, okay, I want. So meaning will change. It will not throw an error. Okay, I want 567 pieces of item number 3, which is our actually quantity for 49.00 rupees. It means very important care we should care should be taken when passing the when we are passing the argument in the format method. uh, according to the placeholders, sequence needs to be maintained, and that sequence can be mentioned as arguments for this format method. Okay, let us go to next 4.py. Let us understand what is meant by indexing. Okay, this is with the help of indexing or index numbers we can use, because of which we can manage our uh, formatting. So we can use the index number inside the curly bracket or in the placeholder. Placeholder means what? Opening and closing this is nothing but placeholder. In the placeholder we can mention 0, 1, 2. Okay, so this is called as indexing. And uh, because of which what will happen, correct placeholders can be mentioned over here. For example, again same example, I have considered quantity 3, item number 567, price is 49. Again same string will be using my order is equal to, okay, I want. Okay, so in the first place placeholder, if suppose 0 I have mentioned, so in that case what will happen, quantity will be considered as 0. Okay, then we'll check it. Okay, a piece uh, pieces of item number, okay, 1, this is our second argument. 1 means second argument. And then in the curly bracket before colon, if we'll mention, okay, this is the index, so before colon we can mention our index. So index is 2, 0, 1, 2. So second index means what? Third argument dot 0.2 f, okay, rupees. Now if I will execute, again same output will get. Okay, I want three pieces of item numbers. I want three pieces of item numbers 567 for 49.00 rupees. Now in this case, if suppose again we will be changing the sequence, or here I will write, okay, 1, and here I will write 0. Again meaning will change, and it will display wrong answer. So I want 567 pieces of item number 3. Okay, it means this is the argument and sequence if we'll observe. So first argument, its index value will be 0. Okay, then second argument, its value will be index value will be 1, and third argument, its value will be index value will be 2. So that sequence we need to mention while formatting our particular string in particular way. So I'm correcting it. In this way formatting can be done, okay, with the help of index numbers. I want three pieces of item number 567 for 49.00 rupees. Let us go to next. Age. one more example, okay, age is 21, okay, then name is Rahul, and text we have written his name is, okay, his name is, again same example, his name is first placeholder, that is first means this, okay, zeroth play, this is the zeroth index, this is the first index, so first his name is, name which will be passing, okay, Rahul, it will display his name is Rahul, then dot, again first placeholder means what Rahul is, okay, Rahul is, zeroth placeholder means what age, Rahul is 21 years old. So if I will execute this program, so we'll get message on the output console as his name is, okay, Rahul, Rahul is 21 years old. Let us check it. His name is Rahul, Rahul is 21 years old. And same, if suppose you will be changing sequence, in that case what kind of changes we can, we should do, we should make, that we'll see. Suppose first argument I have passed as name, and second argument I have passed, okay, as age. In that case we need to make changes. His name is, now name argument is first, its index is first, so here I can write 0, then here I can write, okay, 0, name is, okay, and age is our second argument, so I can write 1 will be the index for this age. So again, such kind of changes we need to do if we'll be changing the sequence of arguments. Very important, if we'll be changing the sequence of arguments, we need to make accordingly, we need to make changes in our placeholders, okay, changes in our placeholders, and in the placeholder we'll be mentioning, we will be mentioning our index value. And index value, in general, index value is nothing but arguments which will be passing. So if two arguments will be passing, so first argument will have 0 index, second argument will have 1 index, and so on. So his name is Rahul, Rahul is 21 years old. Let us go to last program 6.py, where named indexes means what, that will see, okay, we can also use, okay, named indexes by entering a name inside the curly bracket. For example, this is the placeholder, and in the curly bracket we have mentioned, okay, car name, but then you must use names when we are passing the parameter value, okay, a text dot format in the round bracket, we should mention our uh, named index with value. This is the important thing that we'll understand with example. For example, so here my order is a string, and in the double quotes we have mentioned, okay, Rahul have a, okay, placeholder is car name, comma, it is a, it is or he has, it is a, okay, car is car, car, it is a model. हे थोडंसं वेगळं वाटतं, इकडे आपण काय म्हणूया, फुल स्टॉप देऊया. He has, okay, he has a model, and that model, this is the second placeholder. While printing or formatting our string, we can write print statement in this way, print, okay, name of string is my order, then dot format is the method with which we can format our string. We are formatting in this way. So car name, whose value is Maruti, okay, that we have mentioned here in the, while passing the arguments. So car name is our placeholder that we have mentioned. Car name is equal to Maruti, which is string in the form of string, then comma, model is our get-in. So this is the example we will be considering. So car name placeholder, at that particular placeholder, Maruti value will be considered by the Python interpreter, and model is another placeholder. Okay, model is another placeholder, and its value is get-in, that will be placed over here. And in this way, on the output console, will get message on the output console as Rahul has a, okay, Maruti, he has, he has a kitten. And after this, if suppose you want to display message kitten model. I'll execute it. Rahul has a Maruti. He has okay kitten model. Or instead of he, we can write okay Rahul. No issues. How you'll be formatting your string? It's up to you. It is totally depend on you. So to understand, name the indexes. Okay, one more example I will be considering. For example, his age is okay. Uh, Rahul's Rahul's age is, so here I want to mention the age placeholder, so I can write age, and this I can mention over here, comma, age is equal to say 21. Okay, let us check it. Uh, what happens? Let us check it. So it is giving error. Okay, key error, because I think we need to write value in double quotes. Maybe check it. Then also it is giving error. Okay. Oh, key error age. I think की एरर एज. Okay, age हे थोडंसं मला वाटतं राउंड ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर लिहिलं. That is the mistake which I have made. So this I need to write it in the format. Sorry, in the format method. Now it will not give any kind of error. Sorry. So I will execute it. So Rahul have a Maruti car. If you want to mention car here, you can write car, Maruti car. See here how formatting can be done. Okay, Rahul have a Maruti car. He has K10 model. Okay, he has K10 model. Rahul's age is 21. Rahul's age is 21. In this way, formatting can be done. So let us stop here. Now let us understand Python file handling. So how to handle different files in a Python, that we will see. First of all, I opened okay 1.py, where general information about file handling we will understand. So file handling is an important part of any web application. So if any web application we want to develop with the help of Python, in that case, file handling is very important part. Okay, Python has several functions for creating, reading, updating, and deleting files. Uh, in this section, especially we will understand how to create file, how to read particular content from the file, how to update our file, then how to delete the files, that we'll see. So creating, reading, updating, and deleting the file is nothing but file handling in short. Okay, file handling, the key function for working with files in Python is open function. So open is built-in method in Python which will help us to open any function. Okay, so about this open function, we'll understand open function takes okay two parameters. Number one, name of file, file name, and another is mode. So let us understand what is this mode. File name means what? Whatever name we will be giving to our file, that name will be the first parameter or first argument for our open function. And second is mode. So let us understand what are different types of modes. There are four different methods or modes for opening the file. If suppose any file I want to open, so there are four modes. In double quotes, R is the first mode, in double quotes small a is the second mode, in double quotes W is third mode, and in double quotes X is fourth mode. So in double quotes R, this is the first mode. Let us understand this mode we will be using for reading purpose. Okay, default value is this R mode. It means we are opening our file in reading mode. So opens a file for reading, and it gives errors if file is not present in the directory. This is very important. Let us understand. Oh, once again, I'm repeating. Okay, open is the function which is helping us to open our file. Okay, but it accepts two parameters: number one, name of file, and number two, mode. So we are understanding what are different modes to open a file. Number one, in double quotes R, it means we are opening our file in read mode, and when we'll be opening our file in read mode, at that time it opens file in a reading mode, and it gives error if file does not exist in the particular directory. If let us consider Python, uh, 1 minute. So we can open our file in read mode. Okay, this is the first mode. If file is not present, let us consider Python underscore file underscore handling is the directory, and in this directory, if certain file which you will be opening that is not present, in that case, what will happen? It will be throwing an error. Okay, it gives error. That is the meaning of it. Means if any file we want to open in a directory, that file should be present, that file should remain present, okay, in the directory, then only we can open it in the read mode. This is the first mode, read mode. In double quotes R, okay, this is read mode. In double quotes A means what? Append mode. Opens a file for appending. Appending means what? Already few information is present in the file, and in same file what you want to do, you want to add some extra information in the file. So appending, in the Python list literal, we understood what is meant by appending. So extra information in the existing file, if we want to add at the end, that is nothing but append. So appending, what happens? Appending creates the file. If it is not present, it is not exist in the directory, then what will happen? If we'll be opening our file in the append mode, so append mode is helping us to open our file. And while appending, what happens? If file is not present in the directory, in that case what happens? With the help of Python interpreter, it creates, okay, it creates that file which we are opening, which is not present in the directory. It means though file is not present in the directory, then also we can open our file in append mode. And appending, file where we whatever file will be opening, that file can be opened in appending mode. Okay, we'll see in detail. Next mode is W. In double quotes, W means what? Write. If suppose certain information we want to write in the file, then we can open our file for writing, or in writing mode it creates a file if it is not present in the directory. So it is similar to appending, but in writing what happens? A small difference between appending and writing. Writing means what? Existing file, okay, if you want to write, so completely it will be overwritten. That is nothing but opening the file in write mode. So X, next mode is X, where we are creating our file. Creates the specified file, okay, returns an error if file is already present. Okay, if file is present in the directory, and that file, if suppose we are opening with the help of X mode, that is create mode, so creates the specified file, but it returns error if file is present in the directory. So these are the four modes with which we can open our file. Once again, I'm repeating. First is a double quote R mode, where we are opening our file in read mode. While opening, when any file will be opening in read mode, at that time, if file will not be present, okay, file will not remain present in the directory, in that case it will be throwing an error. Okay, next is appending mode. We can, in double quotes small a, this is the uh, mode with which we are opening our file in appending mode. So in appending mode, what happens? If file is not present in the directory, then also file gets opened. Okay, Next is W mode. It means double quote W. In double quote, small w is mentioned. So this is the mode with which we are opening our file in writing mode. If file is not present, then also file can be created, and basically overwriting takes place when we'll be opening our file in write mode. So X is next mode, small x in double quotes. So it creates file. Okay, specified file can be created, and if suppose file is already present in the directory, in that case it will be giving an error. There are two more, okay, additional modes. We will call them as double quote small t and in double quote small b. So should be handled as binary and a text mode. So double quote small t is a text mode. It means we can open our file in text mode. So this is the default value. It means whenever we are opening any file, so it will be opened in text mode. And in double quotes b means what? We are binary mode. Okay, binary mode. For example, if you want to open the images, in that case images can be opened in the binary mode, and in that case we can use this particular mode. So let us understand. Okay, from this we have understood the open function, and for this open function two parameters are required: name of file and mode. These are the four modes. Okay, and these are the two modes, separate two modes, where these four modes we can use, okay, while opening our file. And these two modes, normally if we will not be using this particular mode, so by default it will consider, it means you want to open your file in text mode. But if you are dealing with images, in that case, if suppose image file you want to open, in that case we can open our file in binary mode by using the small b in double quotes. Okay, so let us check it or understand it how to open file. Okay, so f is any Python variable is equal to is assignment operator. Open is the function, and as it accepts two modes, so by default if we are not giving any kind of mode, so it will accept t mode. It means file we want to open in text mode. Okay, so demo file 4, if you will observe directory python underscore file underscore handling, this is the directory. In this directory will not find, okay, demo file 4, that file is not present. And if I will if I will use, okay, open function with one argument, where that argument is demo file 4.txt. So it means I'm trying to open with the help of Python interpreter. I'm trying to open demo file 4.txt, which is not present actually in this directory. So this program, if we will execute, in that case it will throw an error. Let us check it, and that error will be what? File not found error. Okay, file not found error, because in this directory a demo file 4.txt is not present, because of which it is throwing an error, file not found error. No such file or directory demo file 4.txt is not present in the directory. Okay, but if I will try to check demo file txt, so I will remove this 4. Now this file, okay, this particular file is present in the directory python underscore file underscore handling. So in this directory demo of file dot txt file is present, and if I will write f is equal to, open in the round bracket, in double quotes, first argument I'm passing, that is name of the file demo file dot txt. If I will execute, so it will not throw any kind of error. It means if file is present, that file if we are trying to open, so it will not be throwing any kind of error. So this is the first thing. It means by default file will be opened in text mode. Now we'll understand different modes in short. Okay, if suppose I will open file in, first mode is read mode. So this is the first mode, where we are opening demo file.txt in read mode. Let us check it what happens. Okay, so it is not throwing any kind of error. File we opened in read mode. Actually we are not opening file. So file will be opened. File will be opened, and with the help of a Python interpreter. For example, if suppose I will try to open a demo file 4.txt in read mode, that already we have seen. If we are opening file in read mode, so if file is not present in the directory, it will be throwing an error. Let us check it. Is it giving that error or not? Yes, it is giving error. File not found error. Okay, same kind of error. No such file or directory. Demo file 4.txt. That file is not present, because of which it will be throwing an error. So let us understand next mode, that is append mode. Now if I will execute this particular command, it means open function I will be calling with two arguments. First argument is name of the file which is not present in this directory, python underscore file underscore handling. In this directory, demo file 4.txt file is not present, but if I will try to open that file with append mode, in that case what will happen? If file is not present, then this file will be created. Okay, this file will be created and it will be saved in the directory. Let us check it. Demo file 4.txt, and this file we are opening in append mode. So I'm executing this program, so you will get, okay, file is we haven't got any kind of error. And here if you will observe, so demo file 4.txt file that has been created, okay, with the help of python interpreter. It is blank right now. It is blank. Okay, right now it is blank, but it was not present. But because as we are opening that file in append mode, so it created file. Okay, it created file. In this way what happens, we can open our file in append mode. Next is write mode. Okay, if I will write w, now next file. For example, if suppose I want to open demo file 4.txt, this file in write mode, so I can execute this program. So in that case file is present, because of which it will not be throwing any error, and file will be opened in write mode. Another example will understand. So demo file 5.txt is not present in the directory. Okay, and if I will try to open my file in write mode, demo file 5.txt, this file we are opening in write mode. So as this particular file is not present in the directory, and that file we are trying to open with the help of write mode, so that file gets created. Let us check it. Yes, so demo file 5.txt, that file gets generated because of this w mode. Next is x mode. Now let us check. Demo file 5.txt file is present in the directory, and if suppose that file which is already present in the directory, I am trying to create, I am trying to open, okay, my demo file 5.txt with this x mode. And already we have seen, if suppose file is present in the directory and that file we are trying to open with x mode, in that case it will be throwing an error. So let us check it. It will throw an error. Yes, so file is already present. Okay, demo file 5.txt is already present in the directory, because of which such file we cannot create again, because same name file we cannot create again. And with the help of x mode, it means you want to create specified file, uh, and if that file is present in the directory, in that case it will be throwing an error. But if I will write 6 dot of demo file 6.txt, and this file if I will open with x mode, in that case this particular file is not present in the directory, and that specific file, if we want to open with x mode, which will help us to create that file in the directory. So I will execute this. So demo file 6.txt file gets generated, gets created. So in this way, different we can open file in different with the help of different modes. Okay, let us go to second program. I am closing all the files. Okay, so let us understand 2.py, where again we are understanding. Okay, open function. Okay, to open the file we are using, okay, built-in method open function. Open function is built-in method, and uh, so already we have seen So this demo file.txt, okay, this is already present, a demo file.txt, because of which it will not throw an error. And with the help of, okay, if I will write f dot read, okay, f dot read, another function, okay, so open function will help us to open that file, okay, in the read mode. And with the help of read function, read method, we can read the content of file, and that content we will be reading with the help of this f will become object f dot read. Read is simple method in Python, and this method along with this f object, this method, if we will pass argument in the print function, so entire content of demo file txt. So if I will open, so hello, welcome to demo file txt, this is for, okay, testing purpose, good luck. So these four statements are present in this demo file.txt. And what we did over here, so we opened our file in read mode, and with the help of, okay, a read method, with the help of read method, what kind of content are present, content content is present in that particular file, that if I want to display it on the output console, we can display it with the help of read method. So f is our object, f dot read. If we'll pass this argument in print method, so it will display entire all content of file demo file.txt. So demo file.txt, in this file, this particular information is present. That information will be displayed on the output console. If I will execute it, we'll get information in this way. If I will change one more line, if I will add, okay, welcome to mechanical, okay, engineering. This message also will be displayed on the output console if I will execute this particular program, okay. So hello, welcome to demo file.txt, this file is for testing purpose, good luck, okay, welcome to mechanical engineering. So whatever we'll add here, so entire information, if suppose we want to read it, we want to display it on the output console, so in that case read method will help us to display the content of file demo file.txt. And that file we opened here with the help of this mode, R mode. R mode means what, we are opening our file in read mode. So let us go to next program, 3.py, where what we'll be doing, if suppose this is the path, okay, this is the path with which, if suppose I want to open any file from my computer, so f drive, in this f I will open, okay. uh, I think it will not be visible for you. You can imagine, okay, f is the drive. In this f drive there is folder, name of that folder is my file, and in this my file folder, okay, welcome.txt file, text file is present, welcome.txt file is present, and that particular file we are trying to open in R mode. If suppose I will change the name, okay, I will write welcome1.txt, so this file is not present, okay, this file is not present. And if I will try to open, so it will throw an error, okay, file not found error. It means f colon my file welcome1.txt, this file is not present in the directory my welcome, which is present in f drive, okay. But if I will write welcome.txt, so that file is present because I know it. And if that file I will try to open in read modes, and content of that file, if I want to display it on the output console, so I can write, okay, f dot read, this already we have seen in 2.py. So I will execute this particular program. So we are in, okay, welcome.txt file. This particular information is present in the welcome.txt file that we are reading, okay, with the help of open. First of all, we opened our file in read mode, and with the help of read method, f dot read, so this argument if will pass in the print function, which is built-in method, at that time entire information which is present in the welcome.txt, that information will be displayed on the output console. In this way we can use it, okay. So 3.py, I hope you have understood, where we understood actually particular path if we will give to the Python interpreter. At that time also what happens, Python interpreter will check really that file is present it in the particular directory in the particular folder or not. If it is not present, it will be throwing an error, and if it is present, then file gets opened in read mode, and with the help of f.read function, okay, with the help of this particular argument, what will happen, content which are present in the welcome.txt file, entire content will be displayed on the output console. So this I hope we have understood. Let us go to 4.py. So I'm opening 4.py. So in this case, we'll understand. Okay, read only part of the file. Okay, read only. So by default, okay, read method returns the whole text. Okay, read method. So whatever read method we used, so that without any argument, if we'll be using f dot read without any argument, without any integer number in the round bracket for read method, in that case, what will happen? By default, read method returns whole text. Whatever text is present in the particular file, it will be displayed on the screen. But if we want to display, okay, few characters from our demo file.txt, in that case, what we can do, argument we can pass, okay, in the round bracket of read method, we can pass 5. If we'll pass 5, so it will return first 5 characters from that file. Let us check it. First of all, I will open demo file.txt, and 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it will display hello. Only first 5 characters will be displayed. If we will be writing 5 argument, we will be passing 5 argument. In that case, first 5 characters from our file will be displayed on the output console. So I am executing this program. Let us check it on the output console. We'll get hello. If I will increase, if I will write one, if I want to display, okay, one more character. So after this hello, there is exclamatory symbol. If that exclamatory symbol I want to display it on the output console, in that case I can, instead of 5, I can pass 6 arguments. So if I will execute it, so we'll get, okay, exclamatory symbol. In this way, this particular number is nothing but these many characters we want to display on the output console. That's it. So I will pass comment to this particular statement number 9. I will remove comment of statement number 10, where what will be doing. So 20 argument will be passing. It means first 20 characters. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It means welcome DE. Hello, welcome to DE. This much information will be displayed. Let us check it. Okay, hello, welcome to DE. DE means what? Demo file, okay, txt, but it will read first 20 characters because of this particular value, which is the argument we are passing along with this read method. Means in short, okay, read method, if we are not giving any, if we are not passing, by default, this read method will return entire whole text, okay, whole text which is present in the file. Let us check it. So it will display all text, but if particular value will pass over here, say 5, so it will display, okay, first 5 characters from that particular file. That's it. Let us go to next program, that is 5.py. For I will close. Now let us understand how to read particular line, entire line. If suppose I want to read, so there is uh, standard method in Python which is available. So read line method. So this method will help us to return, okay, one line, okay, one line. It will return one line. It means if we'll write it one time, so it will return first line from our demo file. So again, I'm opening the demo file txt. So this particular line will be displayed, entire line. If we want to display it, in that case, we need to open our file in read mode. That is the first thing we need to do it. So from statement number 7, we interpreter will understand we are opening our demo file.txt. This file we are opening in read mode, and that we will be storing in this f object. So f dot read line, okay, read line is the specific method, standard method which is available in Python. This will help us to display first line from our demo file.txt. So this particular file will be displayed on the output console. So I am executing hi.py program. So hello, welcome to demo file.txt. If here I will write yes, we we are in first line. Okay, so this particular line will be displayed. If I will execute, we can check it. Okay, so hello, welcome to demo file.txt. Yes, we are in first line. But if I will copy it and if I will paste it for one more time, so second line will be displayed on the output console. Okay, so this is the file for testing purpose. Okay, this is the second line which will be displayed on the output console. So in this way, how many times we will be writing, okay, read line, will be calling this particular function with object f. So what will happen, this particular file gets opened, okay, and it's if we'll be executing for first time, so it will display first line, then second line, and so on. So different lines from our text file, if we want to display it on the output console line by line, in that case read line method is helpful for us. Okay, next I'm opening 6.py. So let us understand calling readline method. This we have seen, okay, two times. Then what will happen, first two lines will be displayed if we'll be calling readline method three times. So from the demo file.txt, if there are three lines, first three lines will be displayed. If I will use for one more time, so four lines, actually four lines are present, okay, here on the in the demo file.txt, four lines will be displayed. Let us check it. Okay, good luck. But fourth line is blank line, because of which welcome to mechanical engineering, this particular line has not been displayed, okay, by the Python interpreter, because there is blank space. But if I will remove this blank space and if I will save it and if I will execute again, so now in this case it will display, okay, welcome to engineering, welcome to mechanical engineering. So in this way, readline function, how many times we'll be calling these many lines from our main demo file.txt, all lines will be displayed on the output console. So I'm opening 7.py, where we'll understand now, can we display lines, okay, can we display lines with the help of for loop? So answer is yes. Okay, how it can be written, okay, f is equal to, open in the round bracket, demo file.txt. This is the first argument, that is name of our file, and that file we want to open with read mode. So for open method we have passed two arguments, name of file and mode. So with the help of this particular statement number 4, demo file.txt gets opened in read mode, and with the help of for loop. So x is any Python variable. So we are giving information to Python interpreter for x, okay, in f. For x in f means what? So x is any variable, and in f means what? In this f object. So print x means what? Every time we are printing x. So all lines, okay, it will display on the output console. Let us check it. Because how many lines are present? Okay, how many lines are present? Many times what will happen, that we will not understand. So for example, here one more line I will write. Okay, and this line is line number 5 that I don't know, and that line number 5 also I want to display. So entire up to how many lines I want to display it on the output console, that is unknown for us, if we will not be opening. And first time user, if we don't know, if we don't have any idea how many lines are present in that particular file, in that case for loop can be helpful. Okay, so how many lines are present, these many lines will be displayed with the help of for loop. Now last line also will be displayed on the output console. Okay, so for loop is helpful for us to display, okay, how many lines are present in the particular text file. So all the lines will be displayed. Okay, I'm opening 8.py. Now this is very important function. Close file. Closing file is the activity where it is the good practice to always, okay, close the files when we are done with it. It means, for example, if suppose we are opening our file for particular operations, we want to perform certain operations on the file. So operations we have performed. Next, what we need to do, we need to close our file. Otherwise, what will happen? Whatever files we have opened, and if we miss to close, in such cases what happens, sometimes in some cases, due to buffering, okay, due to buffering, changes made to a file may not be shown, okay, until you close the file. That's why whenever we will be opening any file, that file needs to be closed. After completing certain operations on that file, we need to close our file. So this is the very important operation or activity which we need to do after opening our file. After opening any file, we need to close that file. So let us understand with example again. Demo file, let us understand, we have opened in read mode, okay. Then read line function, with which first line will be reading, and immediately after reading first line, I want to close it, okay. I want to close that particular file. So f dot close, this is the function with which we are closing our file. So I will execute it. First line will be displayed, and after displaying first line, immediately that file which we have opened in read mode, that file we need to close it. Otherwise, if we are not closing that file, because of which for Python interpreter, that file will remain, okay, opened in read mode in backend. And if certain operations will be performing at that time, what will happen? There will be buffering. And if certain changes, we whatever changes will be making, so those changes, if we want to save it, in that case what we need to do, we need to close it. Until and unless, okay, without closing that file, changes will not be saved in our file. So in this way we can understand importance of close method, okay. So f dot close, f is our object which is related to this demo file dot txt, which we have opened in read mode. And this f object, with the help of this f object, we are calling our close method, a simple method in Python, like our read line method. So f dot close, this f dot close, okay, this statement number 9 will help us to close the file which we have opened in read mode, okay. Demo file dot txt, that file we opened in read mode, with the help of f dot close this statement number 9, because of which file, demo file dot txt, this file which we opened in read mode, that will be closed, okay. That file gets closed. So let us open next 9.py, where we'll understand, okay. Already we have understood, okay, how to open file in append mode, then write mode, okay. Only what will happen in write mode, overwriting takes place, that will understand. And in if we are opening our file in append mode, so we can append the text, so that will see, for example, mm, I will open, okay, demo file 2.txt. Demo file 2.txt. So this is present, okay. This information is present. Uh, Now the file has, okay, more content. This information is already present, okay. So we'll check it with example. If we are opening file in append mode, what happens, okay. F is our any Python variable is equal to the assignment operator. Open is the method with built-in method, and this method needs, okay, two arguments. First argument is our name of file, okay, demo file 2.txt, and that file we are opening in append mode. This is the second argument which will help us to understand in which mode we are opening our file. So in append mode we are opening our file. Then f dot write, okay, f dot write is the write is the function which is helping us to write certain information in our demo file 2 dot txt. In this file, if suppose certain information we need to write, in that case f dot write, okay, this particular write function is helping us to write or add a text in our file demo file 2.txt. And after writing this information in our existing file, okay, demo file 2.txt, then immediately we are closing our file. So I will pass comment to these two statements. First of all, we'll check this code. I will be executing this program. So let us open, okay, demo file dot two. So two times, okay, two times. Now the file has more content. This message has been displayed. If I will execute one more time, so it will display, okay, three times this particular message. It means we'll be writing, okay, we will be writing and we are appending. Appending means what? Whatever information will be adding, this information we are adding with help of write method. But as file is opened in append mode, so whatever information will be adding, that information will be added at the end of our file. So demo file 2, this is the end, okay, and at the end if we are adding again this message, so this message will be added, and this is happening because of this append mode. So I'm executing this one more time. It will display this message. Let us check it on the output console, okay. So this many times. So in this way appending takes place, okay. And if suppose here it's here on the output console itself, I want to display uh, text which is appended, okay, in the demo file 2.txt. So these two statements will help us to display this output on the output console over here. So I am executing this program. So here we will get, okay, how many times it will be displaying, that you can check it, okay. So 4 to 5 times. If I will execute for one more time, again it will display, okay, one more time. So in this way we can open our file, okay, we can open our file in append mode. So this is the program where we understood how to open file in the append mode. I am opening 10.py where we'll open our file, okay, with write mode. Now let us understand, when we'll be opening our file in write mode, what happens? Overwriting of content takes place. It means whatever content is present in that particular file. For example, here now the file has more content. Now the file has more content. Now the file has more content three times. Okay. Now the file has more contents 4 times, 5 times. Okay, 6 times. 6 times. Now the file has more content. This message is present in demo file 2.txt. Now same file, if I will try to open, I will try to open, okay, same file with write mode. So as we are opening demo file 2.txt, this file we are opening in write mode. It means we are opening that file, okay, in write mode, and f dot write with this method we are writing this information in our file, okay, demo file 2.txt. Now in this case, as we are not opening this particular file, okay, in append mode, we are opening we are opening it in a write mode, because of which whatever information we will be writing, that information will be overwritten. Okay, overwritten means what? Entire information will be deleted, and this particular message will be stored in the file. That's it. And if same file, if I want to open it, so I can write, okay, f is equal to, open in the round bracket, we can give these arguments, and f dot read, this particular function will help us to open our file in read mode. So let us check it. I am executing this program. Entire information will be deleted. Okay, now 2 demo file 2.txt. Okay, so overwriting takes place. This particular message gets overwritten, okay, in the particular file demo file 2.txt. In this way overwriting takes place. Let us go to 11.py. So here we already we have understood, if we are opening our file in x mode. X mode means what? That we have seen, if file is present, it will be throwing an error. So my file.txt, my file.txt is not present, but if I will write, okay, demo demo file 2.txt, if I will try to open file which is present in the directory with the x mode, it means x mode we can use to create new file, but if that file is present, so it will throw an error, that we have seen. Okay, let us not waste our time. But if I will write, okay, my file.txt, that file is not present. My my file.txt, that file is not present, and that file we are opening with X mode. So it will create, okay, it will create that file in our directory python underscore file underscore handling. So I am executing this particular program. So here file gets created, okay, my file.txt, which was not present, but because of this particular statement, that file has been created. If I will execute it, so it will throw an error now because already file is present. But if I'll write my file one.txt, so this file is not present. If I will execute it, so this particular file gets generated over here. Okay, so in this way files can be created with the help of opening that particular file in X mode. Let us go to 12.py where we'll understand, okay, this already we have seen, okay, how to open file in write mode. So let us understand, okay, how to delete particular file, okay. 13.py where we'll understand how to delete Python file. So Python delete file will understand from this 13.py delete a file, okay. To delete a file we must import, okay, OS module. So operating system module, OS module. So with the help of this OS module, what we can do, we can run os dot remove function. So os dot remove function will help us, and argument we need to pass name of the file. So name of the file will be the argument that will be passing in the round brackets as argument. So my file dot txt, so my file dot txt file is present in the directory, and that file if I want to delete it, so to delete any Python file, we need to import. First thing, we need to import OS module. So import OS, that module we have imported, statement number 9, where we imported our OS module. Then OS will become object. With the help of OS, we are calling remove method, and in the remove method, we are passing our argument as name of the file my.txt. For example, my file.txt, this file I want to delete. So I can write, okay, statement number 10. Let us check it. I will execute it. So this particular file, my file.txt, this file gets deleted. Let us check it. Okay, गायब झाली थी. Again, if I want to delete this my file one.txt, so I can write, okay, my file one.txt. Because of this statement, this particular file gets deleted from our this particular directory python underscore file underscore handling. Let us check it. Deleted, okay. Demo file 6.txt. If this particular file I want to delete, so I can write demo file, okay, 6.txt. If I will execute it, it gets deleted. uh, Double quote is missing, okay, sorry. Okay, demo file 5, if I want to delete, I can write 5, so it will be deleted. Let us delete these files, okay. 4.py, sorry, demo file 4.txt, this file I want to delete, this file gets deleted, okay. Then demo file 3.txt, this file I want to delete, this file we have deleted, okay. Demo file 2.txt, if I want to remove, so with the help of os.remove we have deleted it. So in this way files can be deleted, okay. Then 14.py where we'll understand, okay, uh, for example, if we want to check it really that particular file is present or not, okay, in our directory, so we can use if and else statement. So os module we need to import, that we have seen, okay. So import os module, with which we have imported, python interpreter will understand we have imported os module. If os dot path dot exists, okay, this is the method, okay, os dot path dot exist, and in the round bracket name of file if we'll mention, okay. So my file dot txt, that file is not present in the directory. Now in this case what will happen, this particular function, okay, this particular logical condition for if statement will become false, and directly it will jump towards else part, and it will display, okay, file does not exist. Let us check it. So this file is not present, because of which file does not exist, this particular message will be deleted. And if suppose I will create that file manually, so name of that file is my file.txt. this file we have created, okay, but it will be created with okay, delete. So text file I want to open, so new, then we can select file, okay, my file dot txt. So it will create text file, okay. So text file we have created. Now in this case, let us check, okay, my file dot txt is present. So we imported os module if is the statement where logical condition we have mentioned in the form of a function calling os dot path dot exist, okay. So exist function in the round bracket we are checking this particular file is present in the directory or not. Now in this case, this logical condition will remain true, and if, okay, and if file is present, okay, if file is present, in that case only we want to delete or we want to remove it, then only this particular function gets executed. Otherwise it may throw an error. That also will check it, okay. Now in this case, this particular file gets deleted. Yes. Now let us check, okay. I will copy this particular statement and it will become, okay, part of our main script, and entire code I will pass, okay. I will pass comment to this code and we'll check it. Now this particular file, okay, which is not present in the directory, and that file we are trying to delete it, in that case it may throw an error, okay. And to avoid this error we can use, okay, this if and else statement. If file is present, then only that needs to be removed, okay, from our directory. Otherwise it will be throwing an error, okay, file not found error. And to avoid this error, again I will pass comment. To avoid this error, this particular code we have written over here. Now in this case, for my file.txt is not present in the directory, because of which it will go to else statement and it will display the file does not exist, okay. File does not exist. If file is present, then only it will be deleted. That's why such kind of logical condition can be written, okay. So 14.py, where we understood, we are checking if file is present, then only it will be deleted. Otherwise, with the help of else block, we can display the message the file does not exist. Let us go to last program, 15.py, where a particular directory, if we want to remove particular directory means what? Folder. So first of all, I will create manually one folder directory in python underscore file underscore handling. That is our main directory, and in this directory I am creating new directory. Name of that directory is my folder. My folder, this directory now I have created, okay, which is present in our main directory. My folder directory is present, and this directory, if suppose, directory means what? Folder. And this folder, if I want to delete, okay, or remove from the main directory, so in that case, again we can import os module, and with the help of rmdir, okay. So rmdir is the function which will help us to delete entire directory from the directory, okay. So let us check it. My directory folder gets deleted, okay. Okay, it has been deleted. Once again I will show it. I am creating directory manually. Name of that directory is my folder. My folder gets created, okay. Directory gets created, and because of this import os module we have imported, then os.rmdir. Rmdir is the function which is helping us to remove the directory. Rm means remove, dir means directory, and in the round brackets, argument will be passing as uh, name of the directory. So my folder is name of the directory that we have written. I can execute this program. Now in that case it will be deleted. Now let us understand the note. uh, we can only remove empty folders. That will check it. Now I will create one directory. Again, name of that directory is my folder. We have created, and in this particular folder one more file I will create, text file I will create, okay. So name of that file is say mm, my file dot txt. myfile.txt. This particular file we created in my folder directory. Okay, and with the help of 15.py, if we'll try to delete entire directory, but in this directory there is one text file, okay, which is blank but it is present. But if I will try to execute, let us check what happens. So it will be throwing an error. Okay, the directory is not empty. If directory is empty, then only we can delete. Otherwise, with the help of rmdir function, we cannot delete entire folder. It will be throwing an error. And to delete, okay, this particular directory, I need to delete this myfile.txt. So manually I am deleting this particular file, text file, with the help of this delete option. So I have deleted. Okay, so I will close it. Mm, I will try to delete. I think file is open. Okay, this file needs to be closed. Okay, then I can delete. uh, File is not found. Okay, there is some error. Okay, directory is not empty. I will close this file. I will manually I will delete it. Item is deleted. Okay, item is deleted. But it is not getting deleted from here. Okay. Don't know how to delete them. So I can copy the code. Which code I can copy? This code I can copy. Control C, and in 15.py I can paste it. Okay, here. So we will write in this. We will check it. Okay, my folder will write afterwards. First of all, we need to delete demo file to demo file or my file. Here I will write my file.txt. Now I will execute this. Yes, yes. Okay. Once again, you can observe. Okay. Actually, I created one directory. Name of that directory is my folder, and in this my folder directory, we created one more text file, that is myfile.txt. Okay, so this file directly, if we'll try to delete, okay, without deleting this myfile.txt, if this file we will folder, if this my folder directory will try to delete, in that case it will be throwing an error. Okay, directory is not empty. My folder directory has one file, myfile.txt. So this file needs to be deleted, and this file we can delete with the help of os.remove. In the round bracket we can use path. So my folder, from my folder directory we need to delete. Okay, myfile.txt. Because of this statement number 8, this particular file will be deleted, and then os.rmdir, with this statement number 9, this folder gets deleted. So both things at a time I can do it. I am executing this program. So we deleted my folder directory as well as my file.txt. So in this way we can handle, okay, we can handle files in Python.